Hi, my name is Arjun Singh, and I'm working as Trainee Analyst in Publicis Media. So after I finished my school, I had no idea where to go, what to do. So I just took admission in the Open University of DU. And my father told me that you are from commerce, you can go for CA. It is a very rewarding career. So I thought, yeah, I can try my luck in that. I passed CA foundation, but the thing was with CA, there was no practical thing that is going on in life. We are just in coaching, coming home and studying, and then next day it is coaching. Even Sundays are not free. So I didn't wanted a life like that. So when I was just exploring what to do in life or where I can try my luck, I found a passion for photography. Then I started freelance photography, editing work. Then one day I was just doing a shoot with a client for their digital marketing campaigns. Then I got to know about the field where I can explore my this potential and learn something new, which is actually in demand as the internet users are increasing in India. So digital marketing is a very growing career and it is a very rewarding career too. I asked my brother where I can do this. He told me you can go with this course of Kraftshala, which is not even taking money from you prior to the course. You can pay only after you get placed. That was something that got my attention, and I applied to Kraftshala MLP4 batch. Luckily, I cleared the exam, and then I landed into MLP4 batch. I was questioning my potential, that will I be able to sustain in the course or not. But yeah, that was nothing to worry about because everyone can do it. It's a practical thing. It is not something that testing your brain memory, what you can remember. It is what you can apply. The Kraftshala learning experience was something more practical because in the morning, if we are getting training on anything, after half an hour, we are actually practicing that on our group. It was getting clearly in mind on the same day. We are not packing things for later on. That was the thing I liked the most about Kraftshala, like practical learning, actually doing and then learning after before like reading theory, which I was doing in CA that I never liked. That's why I think Kraftshala is good. Like Kraftshala was mostly practical. That's why we were able to land secure jobs in big corporates. Not because the Kraftshala is giving something extra knowledge. It was actually applying our knowledge in practical life. We are doing things. So that was my biggest takeaway, that I have to do actually things to learn them, not just learn them. Yeah, expert interaction was very good whenever we had any sort of doubt. All experts are able to clear them like very easily. And they used to give more insights about the future as well, what we can do, what we can explore. So it was like a friendly course for me. Everyone was very friendly. Interaction with Mani Makkar, I guess. When he came, he told the potential of marketing and what things we can explore in the world of marketing, which I never thought actually. I was just thinking in India, we can only get good jobs in engineering field. That was the wrong perspective I had. Actually, I made good friends from all over the India. That's the best memory I have. And I can go to any state now. There will be someone to receive me. Every student is very helpful. They were like brothers always available. Whenever I am having some sort of doubt in my assignment or I am just stuck in somewhere, I used to drop just one message or one call. They were available to help, and that too was not only to one group, but the groups that we change over the period. Everyone was very helpful. They were great. Firstly, when I got to know about human skills training, I'm just being honest. I thought it is going to be a boring session and we were trying meditation. I actually never did it in my life. But after 3 months of human skills training, I know how it impacted. It is not about me. Everyone thought that it is going to be a boring session, but now everyone respects that. Actually, more than functional training, it was the human skills training that helped me crack the interview. I was not a massive student, which is giving answers whenever teacher asks, okay, so that was something I was expecting that in the 100 of students, I'll be somewhere in top 50 or 60 around maybe. But the thing is, the first 10 persons who got placed, I was in them. So this is something that is a happy moment for me. Journey full of learnings because I learned a lot of things, like what I was before Kraftshala and what I am after Kraftshala. I made friends, I made good relations, and am much more better person in a professionalism way. So it was like growing in all sort of fields, not only in just one domain, that is digital marketing. It is apart from that. If they are exploring their life, like what they want to do, and they have any sort of attachment to digital marketing like I had, you can definitely go for digital marketing with Kraftshala, because the course is very helpful, the course full of learnings, and you are going to learn a lot and definitely get a job after that.